Oppo A15 Taste to Sport 6.52-inch display key specifications leaked. Huawei Mate 40 series to launch on October 22, CEO Richard Yu confirms. Redmi Note 10 tipped to sport 108-megapixel main camera may launch this month. Twitter imposes restrictions, more warning labels ahead of US election. TikTok banned in Pakistan over immoral and indecent content. Oppo A15 is all set to launch in India soon. The phone is being teased on Amazon India and the latest teaser hints at the display credentials of the phone. The Oppo A15 is teased to sport a 6.52-inch display with a water drop style notch. The phone is also teased to have eye protection and AI brightness that learns the user's preferences over time and automatically adjusts brightness. Furthermore, key specifications of the Oppo A15 have also leaked online, and this leak suggests that the phone may be powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 SoC. Previous teasers hint that the Oppo A15 may sport a triple rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel main camera. The module is assisted by a 2-megapixel macro lens and a 2-megapixel depth lens. Huawei Mate 40 series is all set to launch on October 22. Huawei Consumer Business CEO and Huawei Executive Director Richard Yu took to social media to confirm this development. The series will debut in the Chinese market and global availability is still too soon to tell. A MIIT certification a few months ago hints that the series may include 3 phones: Huawei Mate 40, Huawei Mate 40 Pro and Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus. The Pro model has also leaked in renders hinting at a dual hole-punch selfie camera and a quad camera setup at the back. Yu took to Weibo to announce that the Huawei Mate 40 series will launch in China on October 22. He shared a poster that confirms the launch event time for 8 p.m. local time, that is 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Redmi Note 10 is reported to be in the works, and a new leak hints that the rumored Redmi phone may have a 108-megapixel primary camera, the first Redmi branded smartphone with such a high-resolution sensor. A well-known tipster on Weibo suggests that an unknown handset with the model number ending J17 may be equipped with a 108-megapixel sensor. The tipster does not mention the name of the phone, leaving it open for interpretation. Another tipster hints that the anticipated Redmi Note 10 series may come with the model number M2007J17C. The tipster also notes that the new Redmi Note 10 may launch in China sometime this month. Twitter said it will remove tweets calling for people to interfere with the US election process or implementation of election results, including through violence, as the company also announced more restrictions to slow the spread of misinformation. Twitter said in a blog post that from next week users will get a prompt pointing them to credible information before they can retweet content that has been labeled as misleading. It said it would add more warnings and restrictions on tweets with misleading information labels from US political figures like candidates and campaigns, as well as US-based accounts with more than 1 lakh followers or that get significant engagement. Pakistan's telecom regulator has blocked TikTok for failing to filter out immoral and indecent content, another blow to the social media app that has come under increasing scrutiny as its popularity has surged across the globe. The ban comes in view of complaints from different segments of the society against immoral and indecent content on the video sharing application, said the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. The PTA said it would review its ban subject to a satisfactory mechanism by TikTok to moderate unlawful content. TikTok said it was committed to following the law in markets where the app is offered. It said, "We have been in regular communication with the PTA and continue to work with them. We are hopeful to reach a conclusion that helps us continue to serve the country's vibrant and creative online community."